shit works. I mean, I'm gonna unlist this bullshit and also make sure that there's audio. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Is it? I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Okay, I think it works. Is this like really laggy? I don't really know. Okay. Oh shit. I was about to show my YouTube API key. That's like annoying. I mean, no one should watch this anyway, but I mean, I've got a solution. Don't, and it's gonna public static const string API. That's not the order you do it. Public const static? What the fuck? What order is it? Bro, please, just let me type it. You bitch. API! Alright, and I'm just gonna put that in here. Basically, I'm just putting in a different fucking file because I'm too lazy to actually implement it how it should be implemented, because, you know, that's dumb. Don't.api. Alright. Boom, just like that. And I'm gonna realize, like, I leaked something now, bro. It's fine. No one's gonna watch this anyway. Surely. Okay. I've been import all this shit. Okay. Where did everything go? It's fine. Okay. So, now I need to figure out how this shit works. It's like really weird, this library. I mean, I think some of it makes sense, but I just don't understand it because I'm fucking dumb. Alright. Let's see here. What was I gonna do? Right, I was gonna get the live stream, and I kind of realized a problem, and that was shut up. That you can't. I mean, I wouldn't really look for more than 5 seconds, but I don't think there's any easy way to just get the. There's definitely a way to do this. Get the latest stream from a user. Surely you can do that. I'm gonna try that one more time actually. So we're gonna start by. I'm just making these vars because I don't understand this shit yet. I mean, okay, that's even worse. We're keeping it as vars. Okay. So basically you have this service and you've got like just all of these things. Also, this is not users, this is channels request. And then there's a method here called list, and that's got a thing that's called a part repeatable, which I understand is just like arguments. And that's obviously done through strings because that is just nice and great. So now I have to. Alright, and I've separated the fucking line with complete. It's like in a different subcategory from everything else. Alright. So channels. We're gonna go to list. And here's the part thing. think for username is probably the best one here. Let me see what this is. So no, I think for username is best. I think I tried it. I mean, you can see it here, but I'm just gonna try again. So I think you just for username is equals to the name, and since I'm streaming on this, I don't even remember what account it is. Oh yeah, true sod. We're gonna use that. I wonder if you're supposed to have at there. I didn't try that last time. I'll try that this time, sure. Okay, and we'll just, for now, we'll just channels request dot execute. Alright, and let's just see what happens. This is very exciting. This is pissing me off. Oh, fuck off. Let me just, what did it say? Bad request. Let me see. Let me see if the other ones work. Just out of curiosity. So yeah, ID. ID parameters specifies a comma separated list. I wonder if, oh wait, content details, is that like a, how the fuck does this work? Oh, is it here? Oh, here, for username. But wait. Oh fuck, I just showed all my API keys. That's fine. What the fuck am I supposed to do here then? Oh. So that's like a filter thing, maybe. What am I supposed to put in there though? Like, I have no idea what I want. I swear it said it here somewhere. I'm just dumb. Where was it? This is not even the right thing. I'm just... Let me see if I can just find an example of this. Get channel.net YouTube. This is not really that, but maybe I can still... Oh, here. And this is not even .net, but I mean, it should be fine. No, it shouldn't. This seems like a different thing. Wait, here. Part. Isn't this that? Let me try doing that. I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay. And maybe if I'm very lucky, it will not error. Oh! Wait. Channels. Oh, fuck. Total results is 0. Let me try this. Something a little less shit and weird. Okay. Page info. Still 0. Am I supposed to put an at here? I'm unsure about that. Let me actually. I think I can just change this right here for username. change it to @Turcross221. And we're just gonna run this again. Items is still null. Right. YouTube chat API channel part. I don't understand what the part is supposed to do. Or I think I kind of understand it. The part parameter specifies a comma separate list of. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay, so what if I just like get all of this? I mean, this is dumb. This is completely unnecessary. This is so dumb. Okay, right now I only care about the ID. And I've got that there. So that shouldn't change anything. Let's try a different thing here, like dot ID maybe? Okay, yeah, let's just put my own ID there, I guess. What is my idea? ID, not idea. Oh fuck, isn't this my ID? How does this work? I don't know how this shit works. I don't think that's the ID. I think the ID is the old URL thing. I mean, I'll see what happens though. No, okay. How do I get the ID? Get YouTube channel ID. Sure, man. Just take this account. Oh, I just got that. What? Okay. Well, that's the ID. Alright. Thanks, man. We're gonna put that in there. And maybe it'll work now. Unless I'm doing this completely wrong. Oh, wait. That's it. Wait, that's kind of hype. Sick. Alright. So that's how you do that. Now I need to figure out how to see its, like, channels. I think. Fuck, what am I saying? I mean, see it. Why is this a thing here? Why is that a thing? Oh, no, that's not a captcha, is it? Okay, shut up. I'm getting too distracted. I don't know if channel has this. Maybe this is unnecessary. Maybe I can just search for live streams that have been created by user with ID, specified ID. Let's see. Okay, this is kind of. Okay, this is probably the strat if I can't get the channel to work. Okay. It doesn't appear to have created by, but I suppose we could just give it the ID. So, yeah, let's do that. So, fuck this shit, and we're gonna have YouTube dot livestreams dot list. And what do we want to see here? We want. Where does it say that? Let me see. Part. Here. ID. I'll just fucking grab all of them. What I actually care about is the chat. Do I even need the stream at that point? Let me see. Maybe if it's this is. Oh my god, you just pull it. I guess that works. Okay, so for that you need the. For that you need the live chat ID. All right. Let's just get all these. There we go. And we'll make this stream request. And then stream request do I execute? Oh wait, right. Stream request.id. And I'm just gonna work with this for now. Basically, I'm just trying to get this thing to work right now. This is terrible. YouTube Studio. Where the fuck did it go? Oh, here. Alright. Okay. Is it still working? It is still working. That's amazing. Okay. We're gonna crank that in there, and that seems like this is probably what I want. Like so. And then we do var stream is equals to stream request.execute.items.first. And let's try running that. And that should hopefully get us the stream. Fuck. What? Okay. It needs more permissions than I give it. Because apparently you need big boss API keys to find a stream. Fair enough, man. I'm sure there's a reason behind that. I just need to figure out to use Google Cloud again. I'm so lost. Ah, please let me. Where was it? Google Cloud credentials. That's the page I'm looking for. How do I get there? Oh, here. Okay, I found it. Credentials and LBP Chaos. And I think I went to the wrong spot because I'm dumb. Yeah, this is not it. Where was I before? Oh, here. API keys. Oh, I see it. Right, so fuck this one. Out of here. Delete. And I mean, I guess you could show this. And I'm gonna make a new thing here. Create credentials, and we're gonna wanna create an OAuth client ID this time. Oh, web application. I'm dumb. All right, and then we'll call this LP Chaos. Call it that. JavaScript origins. I mean, do I need to put my IP here, or HTTP origins that host your web application? This value can't contain. What? It may take a few minutes, a few hours. It better not. Users. Okay, I don't care. I'm just gonna hope that this doesn't matter, and it's for something that I don't care about. And fuck, that's the secret. I don't care. If anyone's watching this, please don't get me banned from.
Tore!
Tjena.
The time format has passerat.
Es ist passiert.
Is passerat. Är det Ture.fish? Nej, inte Ture.fish.
Ture.fish.
Ja.
Är det?
Hemsidan.
Ja, nej, här händer andra grejer.
Vad händer här?
Jag testar att göra en grej med YouTubes API. Ja,
Så
man,
är det Little Big Planet, säger jag.
jura, det här kommer vara sjuka grejer. Men först måste jag kunna läsa meddelanden.
Det är svårt.
Ja, jag tar det sen. Oh wait, never mind. Thought my headset was dead. I think it's dying though. Let me just plug it in. Alright. Let's see here, where were we? Alright. Okay. So I've generated an OAuth thing now. I think you might have to tell it somewhere that it's an OAuth thing, because I believe I saw that in a... Actually, let me try restarting it first, because it's been like an hour now, because I was like gone. So we'll see if it just works. Okay, yeah, no. So there might be a setting that I have to do. I'm gonna do .NET. And let's see. Examples. That's not how you spell examples. Alright. Oh yeah, here. There we go. Oh, this is not... That's kind of annoying. I believe I have to do that. Okay, I'll do that. I'm not gonna read any files yet, so it should be a little bit easier, but okay, let's see. User credential. Let me just do this. This is horrible. I should just use multiple monitors. I don't care. Okay, user credential. Okay, I'll separate this because I think I can just do it anyway inside here right now. So Google Web Authorizing Broker authorize async. Oh wait, I remember this. Last time I did this, there was like some secrets file you had to download, and I think that's what this is referencing. God fucking damn it. Now I have to figure out how to download that. Oh wait, okay, that wasn't too hard. I found it. Wait, no I didn't. Here. Okay, I found the secret. So I think this is just the same thing. And I don't really know. Let me just call this like secret.json, and I'm just gonna like, let me bring back the, or do I even need to download it? Okay. So let's see your file stream. I never remember how this using thing works. File stream is equals to new file stream secrets.json. I'm trying to do this one line using thing. Or is it like using ass? I don't remember. Okay, I'm just gonna fucking copy this and then have the ID fix it for me, because that's usually how I do it. Okay. Do that. Bop. Why does that not work? Anyway, this... Oh, no. Okay, I'm so confused. Hang on. Oh, that's because I've got this. Livestream. Okay. Let's... Let's see here. What do we have here? I'm just gonna fucking copy this. I don't care. And we'll see what happens. So just crank that in there. Remove that. I'll just input this. File and data store. I don't even know what the fuck that is. Is that like a... What is this? If full by this filth. I assume that's like a boy. Let's just like... data. Or something. I don't fucking know. I'm just gonna do that. I don't fucking care. Okay. And it's gonna be true. Why does that not work? Oh, I'm done. True. Alright. So that's that. And then in here we're gonna give it, instead of the API key, we're gonna give it HTTP client initializer, and that's gonna be credential. Alright, I have no idea what this is gonna do. And this is just a random path. The thing is, I fucking hate file management with C# because I can't put the file in here. I have to put it in the Buell directory. So I gotta put it in here. I mean, it's not very hard, but it's like annoying and shit. Actually, I'll rename it so it's the right name. Secrets. Like client secrets? Yeah. Client secrets.json. And this is not gonna work because I've definitely forgotten about something, or just this thing in general. I don't understand it. Oh wait. This might actually work. That's what it's supposed to do. You can't sign in because of this app sent an invalid request. But did it redirect anything? Huh? I should probably not show this. Let's see. Authorized redirect URLs. Is it this? The fuck am I supposed to use for it? Like, I don't want it to redirect. Okay, just like youtube.com or something. I don't fucking know. What is it supposed to be? I have no idea. Oh, here. Request detail. I can see it there. Alright, I'm just gonna add that there. You can't see what I'm doing, but basically it's redirecting to some like local host thing. Because I guess it... I don't know how this works. I guess this thing starts like a temporary server or something. I have no idea how this works. Okay, but if we restart now, and hopefully don't have to wait 20 million years, because that would be kind of annoying. see. Oh my god, that's a different fucking port. Can I tell it what port to use? Or does it not matter? Also, I swear you can make this one-liner. Okay. I'm just gonna make it allow localhost. Maybe that fixes it. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Bop. It's not the full path. Bro. Dude. Can I do wildcards or some shit? Maybe? It doesn't tell me if I can do that. Fuck, it can't. Bro, what am I supposed to do? Okay, let me see if I can find a tutorial for this. YouTube, the fuck was I gonna search for? Alright, YouTube API OAuth 2.
What's up, guys? In this video we're going to be walking through how to use the YouTube
Shut
what we
up.
need, but it's watched this allow it see your act in, and you're going to copy the key. These 200 is the really hard part. Credentials. I see a lot of people showing API keys or service accounts. That doesn't work for this. So
fuck, am I doing the wrong thing? Hang on, let me see. I might be doing the wrong thing. I think I'm better dumb. I think that I am very dumb. Manage. Oh. Wait, no. Never mind. I'm still confused. No, yeah, I created an OAuth 2.0 client ID.
Do an OAuth 2.0 client ID in order to make this work. Otherwise, you're going to keep getting an insufficient permissions error. So I'm going to click on create credentials, and we're going to select OAuth client ID. And it's going to tell us that we need to have a consent screen. So we're going to configure that right now. And I'm going to choose external because I'm not part of a G Suite organization. And application name, call it YouTube API. Don't really have to be original here. And also add scope. And this is where we're going to tell.
Let me do that. I don't do that. Add scope. Oh, here. How do I use this? Why do they change the UI? Like, could you not just keep it as is? Yes, please, give me... What the fuck? Oh, I'm so dumb! I was trying to find a next button, but I couldn't find a next button because the window was... the window wasn't at full screen, and it was, like, outside of my monitor. Okay. Is it like a sensitive
add scope
or not?
And
okay.
this is
there's general scopes. All right, got it.
Where we're going to tell the application that we want to be able to read the YouTube analytics. Click on add, and
I mean, I don't care about any of this, to be honest. So let's just activate all of them. I mean, that seems like the fair thing to do, doesn't it? Update. Okay, sick.
The YouTube analytics. Click on add, and you don't need to fill out any of this other stuff. Click on save. Let's see what it says. One second.
Wants me to add an email? I guess I'll add a different mail.
Detected a product name shown to users field.
Because I don't think it lets me add my own mail. But that's probably because it already works.
So they don't like what I said.
I don't know the fuck this works.
YouTube VS API scraper. Let's try that. Alright, so apparently you have to pick a good name. Anyways, so yeah, so we just generated some OAuth 2.0 credentials. We're going to go.
Okay, calm down. Let me add a mail. Okay, I guess it'll save.
Go here. And sorry, we just created our consent screen. So now we can generate our OAuth 2.0 client IDs. So we're going to click on create IDs, go to OAuth client ID, going to decide to create a desktop application.
Desktop app, not a web app. I'm just going to try doing this over again. Create credentials. I doubt that matters, but maybe it does. Okay, we're gonna call LP Chaos.
And hit create. You don't need to name these things. And you can see my client ID in secret. I'm gonna click OK. It's alright, you guys see it because I'm just gonna delete it. Basically, you're gonna click on download. This is gonna download some JSON. And what you will do is you will take this JSON file that's just been created for your specific Google account that is associated with your YouTube account that you've given it the Google Analytics or the YouTube Analytics permissions. And now within your project directory where you have your, in my case I've called it app.py, and I've just pasted in all of the stuff that Google's provided as a sample, you will also include the JSON file. I'm sorry, it's so convoluted. Email account.
That's it? Let me try. I'm just gonna get this. Let me remove that. Client secrets. Let me. What the fuck? Why can I not copy it? Please. No, piss off. Okay, there we go. So, should this just work? Or what are you saying? Oh, shit. It does work. Okay. So I'm gonna log into that account. Fuck, I need to add the email to the thing. Like I couldn't be bothered doing. So I'm adding myself as a test user. Yep. Alright, cool. And hopefully that will work immediately. Oh yeah, here we go. Continue. Okay. Oh fuck. But what an error. It let me log in this time. Sequence contains no elements. I'm gonna stop it there to just see if it lets me log in. Okay, sick. We're in. So now I need to... Oh, that's because it says first. I'm dumb. Let's just do this. Live streams. Okay. And let's see what it gets. So this why did I not find this live stream? Is the like trolled? Okay, well this seems to work now. It's kind of cool. Items. It doesn't see it. What? Am I still? Yeah. Am I still talking here? Am I still? Yeah, I am. Okay. Well, let me make sure the ID is right. First of all, it is. I mean, that's a good start. I might be able to just do like stream requests by me or from me. What was it? Mine. True. Because now I've logged into my account, so might as well just do that. I don't think it's the best way, but... Or maybe it is. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Because I'm the only one who's going to ever be using this. Live streams. Okay, there we go. I don't know which one of these are... Is this one? One of them is active. One of them is ready, so it's probably this one. I would assume. How do you like get anything from this? Stream name is certainly not very descriptive. What about the other one? Stream name. Okay, that's just random shit. So that's probably not that. Okay, so how can I get the chat from that? Let's see. So we've got the live streams. We'll make a live stream. It's gonna be equals. In fact, we'll live streams any. Oh, items any. Or okay, no, I can use this. We're just gonna wanna throw new exception. No live streams found. Lol. Okay, sick. So now we can do var live stream is equals to live streams dot first items dot first. Okay, sick. So now we've got the live stream, and now I want to get the live chat. So I assume that's the live. We're gonna do YouTube.live. Why is this so weird? What is the difference between a broadcast and a stream? I'm so confused about that. Live broadcast. What is a... Can I just... maybe it's easier to do this. This has an ID, as monetization details, as a snippet. This seems like... What I... Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's definitely what I want. So let's... Actually, yeah, that's way better. So we're gonna want to do broadcasts, live broadcasts. Broadcast request. Broadcasts. And broadcast. Boom. Let's see if that works. Fuck. Okay. Oh wait, I have that here, don't I? YouTube API live. Okay. And reference. Live broadcasts list. Part. We're just gonna... Or I guess we... Where was this actually? Let me see if I can find it. I think it was part of content details. Was that it? believe it was. Nah, I don't think it was. Where was it? Where was it? Where was it? Was it snippet? Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, we want the snippet. Let's give him that. That's all I care about. Snippet. We want this status to be broadcast request status. I mean, actually, no. I'm not gonna specify that, because you might want to start this server before starting the stream. I mean, you'd still have to plan ahead. It's fine. I think that's why it was erroring. I'm gonna. The debugger is like annoying here. It doesn't let me read the message completely. I'm just gonna try this. That's not how you spell a request. Oh, yeah. Yep, that's the one. That's the one. That's the one. And we should have Livestream ID here somewhere. Hopefully. There. Yes. There we go. Sick. So this is so terrible. I promise I'm gonna fix this later. I should put these in methods. Actually. Yeah. What is it? What are you suggesting? Sure, man. Okay. Okay, this is awful. Let's just start by class program. Actually, I don't need this anymore because I'm reading it from the file now. And then we're gonna do private static void main. And we're just gonna catching. Now, some of these things are asynchronous, which is fun. I think I can just do that. Yeah, sure. I think these other ones execute. Yeah, execute async. Alright, and then we can make a private static async task, and we'll call it live chat. We'll just call it string, I guess. Get live chat ID. And I guess I'm just gonna could probably put that in a method too. I'm gonna do that. Oh fuck. Maybe this is more annoying than. Alright, I guess I can just do that. This is like an exit. Nah, I'll just throw a new exception. That's fine. Console.writeLine found broadcast dot snippet dot title. Return broadcast dot. Maybe it's better to just get broadcast. Maybe that's just better. And then you can kind of do whatever you want from that. Live broadcast. And they'll just return the broadcast. That's probably better. And should I make a method for this too? I mean, sure. Private static async task YouTube service. Get client API client. Maybe, I don't know. Zip. And just return YouTube. Maybe I should put these in a different file. I don't really know. We'll get to it when we'll get to it. Alright. Now we can just do. I kind of want to put this at the bottom. I don't know. Complete personal preference. YouTube is equals to get API client. Maybe get YouTube client is better. Does this? Oh wait. Boom, and then we'll do live broadcast. Broadcast is equals to get broadcast YouTube. Get latest broadcast. Sure. Okay. So now I need to figure out YouTube dot live chat messages. How does this work? Well, first of all, broadcast dot, oh my god, snippet dot live chat ID, and then let's see here. Live chat messages, probably. List. Try it now. Right here. Part ID, snippet, and author details. And I think I just want all of them. I mean, maybe ID is unnecessary, but for now, I'll just get all of them. Bop. Messages. How does this work? Can you? Do I have to do like a polling thing, I guess? I guess. That's the only reasonable explanation that I can think of. Because it doesn't seem to be like an event thing. And I don't think this API works like that. So I think I'm just gonna have to interceptors and stuff. That's gonna be pretty cool. I think I'm just gonna execute them. And I mean, I guess message is request. Result. I don't think I had to do that on the other one. Oh, that's because you have to. Wait, I'm dumb. Alright. So let's put a breakpoint there. And let's actually send a message in here. Gang. Okay, and crank this shit up. And hopefully we can see gang in the thing. Hopefully. Messages. Items. Promising. Snippet. Display message. Let's fucking go. That's pretty hype. That's pretty hype. That's pretty hype. That's pretty hype. Okay. Sick. That's cracked. That's really cool. So what is the best way? What's the best way of doing this? Should I be polling it? Is that the best way of doing it? What are you talking about? I'm just gonna let it do what it wants to. Sure, man. Okay, that's pretty cool. I guess we don't need the new messages, but how? Oh, wait, we do. Fuck. This is kind of annoying. Cause yeah, I can like do polling. That's fine. But I don't want to add the same message twice. Or well, I don't think I want to keep a list of the messages because that would be highly inefficient. What do I even want to do? I guess I want to do get new messages. I want to make a method for that. So I can check, are there new methods? New messages. And actually, there's probably a filter for just sent after date. Surely. Oh dear. You don't have that. Oh my god. Oh wait, we don't. What? I'm confused. Polling? Huh? How does that work? It can't poll itself, can it? How does this work? I'm so confused. Oh, wait, a callback? Service? Wait, I don't think this is what I'm looking for. These are just like generic things for requests, I think. I'm curious though, how are you supposed to do this? What's the best way of doing it? Let me .NET live messages YouTube API. Let's see what other people are doing. Unity programming? That's kind of cool. Oh dear, I fucking hate Unity. This is not bringing back good memories. Start coroutine no out there. Oh, so someone who made this before? Sure, that's cool. Let me steal your shit. This looks like a Unity thing. Oh my god. This probably doesn't use the API. I don't think it does. Or like it obviously talks with API, but it's got a custom one. Fuck. What is this? Chat client. Here we go. Okay, this is polling. Here we go. This doesn't use the API, right? Oh, it does. Wait. This is something different. Live chat. What is that? First of all, what is that? Is that just what the type is called? Live chat. No, that's not a thing. You are lying to me. Get. Actually, I have an idea. Because they've put everything in the same file, I might as well utilize that and go into here and just get. What was it? Messages? Yeah. Okay, I don't know. I don't know where that's from. Anyway, it's pulling it. Either way. Oh, it's using. Oh, and you make that seems like a strat. You're making your own thing for it, like your own event. Because if the YouTube API can't fucking do it yourself. So you get the messages. I don't know what the fuck this API is, but oh, ball. Okay, that's smart. Okay, so you just pull. But what if there's like a million messages? It's only gonna get 200 of them. Sure, it's gonna set the next results token, but that just next second it's gonna get the next 200. So if like at one point people send a shit ton of messages, the entire chat would just be super fucking delayed. Right? I mean, it sounds like that at least. But at the same time, you can't really do anything else, can you? Because you're being rate limited. The best thing you can do is get as many messages as possible, and next time you can get messages, get them. So maybe I kind of just have to accept that limitation, like they did. Yeah, let's do that. So I don't know how to make events. Because I never do them. Alright, that's how you do it. I shouldn't be stealing this code, but okay. I should separate this into things though. I mean, I'll call it a chat client. Fucking fine. And I guess public chat client. And we're gonna want a YouTube thing. Okay, first of all, we're gonna want string chat ID, and we're gonna want the YouTube service. YouTube. Boom. And then we're gonna make here public. I guess private. YouTube service. YouTube. And public string chat ID. There's probably a better way of doing this. I'm not good enough at programming. No. Yeah, so I just want to initialize that. And then we'll make a public event on. Oh wait, you first gotta say the type. Event handler. Thank you very much. Public event handler, and we'll make it a live message. Live chat message. Yes. On new messages. On new messages received, I guess. Because I think I stole that name. No, on messages received. That's a better name. Alright. So then, I guess you can just invoke that whenever, right? I think you can. I don't know how to... C# indefinite background tasks. How does that work? Like, I can think of ways to do it, but I don't know what the best way of doing it is. Observable. What is an observable? This is like exactly like types or Angular. Observable. This does kind of sound like what I want to use though. So let me implement this actually. Chat client, chat observer, observable. And it's gonna be a live chat message. Sick. Implement the things. Okay. Subscribe. How does this work? Track location. Oh, maybe that's how I'm supposed to use it. So I'm gonna, instead of using an event, I'm just gonna, I'll call it chat client, because fine. We're just gonna make, instead of using an event, we're gonna make an observable. 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 Messages observable. And then, how do I implement that? So when you initialize it, we do this. We make messages observable is equals to observable observable what dot create. That's not a thing. Where do you get that from, man? Observable? Surely not. Observable. No. What about? How does this work? Hang on. Wait, I'm so fucking confused. Am I supposed to use events or am I supposed to use observables? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh. Okay, so you make an event, and you make an observable that listens to that event. Is that how you do it? I think I understand it like that. Okay. So we're gonna bring back the event again. Event. Handler. Sick. Yep. Sick. And then... How should I run a background task? I don't really know what the best way of doing it is. I think I want it to be an eye disposable. And then get that shit. So when you dispose it, we want to stop it, I guess. Do you just keep like a... Should I just keep a boolean for if it's running? I guess. Hang on, there's a thing called background worker. That kind of sounds exactly like what I want. What is this? What is this thing? Background worker dot. How do you use this? Hang on. There's a thing called background task builder. I don't see that. But background worker. Oh, there is this. Where do you decide what it's gonna do? Oh, here. But I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be using a background worker. I'm asking ChatGPT. I kind of hate this language. Right. So... This ChatGPT solution seems kind of trash. I don't really know what I'm doing, but that seems kind of weird. Am I supposed to use a task? Let me just do it like this for now. Public async task. Get messages. And okay, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just gonna do it for now. Do this for now. So we're gonna make a public bool running, I guess. and it's gonna be true. And then if we dispose it, we're gonna running false. This is probably ass, but it might work. And that's what matters, isn't it? So while running, we're gonna task delay like all right, that's our interval that we want. I'll just polling interval, and we'll make like a second, I guess. And let's actually wait with this then. So we're gonna now get the messages, which is this. YouTube YT client. I don't know. That might be a bad name. YouTube client. Probably looks a little bit better. I don't fucking know. Okay, we're gonna have a broadcast as well. Oh no, we don't need that. We just need the chat ID. And we don't need. We might still need that later. Okay, so we got the messages. Sick. Actually, we're gonna messages request skip. Okay, let's see. Could just go to the documentation. I'm probably gonna have to go to the documentation. God fucking damn it. Let's see. Where was it? Here. Okay. Next page token. Page token. There we go. Bop. And it's gonna be the previous token. So I mean, I could have just defined that here, right? So I'll make I think it's a string. Page token, and it's gonna be null. Boom. Okay, why are you crying so much? What? The fuck? Oh, it's because I typed public. I'm dumb. Okay. I'm probably gonna do that for shit. I don't know. I don't know naming conventions. Page token. So it might be null, maybe not. I think this is a null string, right? It's a virtual string. I don't know what that means. Anyway, we're gonna get the messages, and we're first of all gonna set that to next page token, and then we're gonna check, or actually we'll do that last. We'll check if there are any new messages. So, or no, oh wait, better idea. Just check if there are any messages. So messages dot page info. I don't know if this is gonna ignore the from. It's probably easier to just check this. So if there are any messages, that means that we have new messages, which in that case we're gonna wanna on messages received dot invoke. I don't fucking understand. I don't fucking know. I don't know. First of all, let me change this to message list response. Which is this. Boom. Easy. It's that easy. Alright. And then we're gonna await task dot delay. We're gonna get the max value between polling interval and messages dot here. That way it won't poll before it should poll. This time that was 1040. Am I missing one of these? No? What's the problem? What's the problem, man? That's a long. I understand. I can just do this, right? It doesn't like that. Can I make this a long and fix it? Oh my god, it wants ints, doesn't it? God damn it. Let me see, can I cast it as long? No. Ah! But I can cast that both of them as an int, right? Is this knowable? Oh, that's the problem. I'm dumb. Well, we're just gonna do that. Oh, fuck you. Aight, man. Int. Oh, you fucking suck. Okay, first of all, int. Private, obviously. And then just... Oh my god, this is trash. Okay, boom, there. Are you fucking happy, man? And can I do that? Oh, you fucking... How can I... Okay, here's the strat. We'll do that. We'll do that. We'll do... that. Bro. Oh, okay, there we go. Alright, sick. This time it appears to be 1 second. Maybe I don't. I'll pull like every 2 seconds. I don't know. I'll pull every second. Why not? If it lets me do it, I might as well do it. You know? So it's gonna invoke the things. It's gonna be cool. Do I need to define this? You want an event handler on messages received. Okay. I don't fucking know. We'll see what happens. It's not gonna do this on a separate thread. Or I don't fucking know how this language works. We'll just see what happens. So now I just need to figure out the last part of this. So we'll make like observable live message list response on message. This is not. Let's do this instead. Just chat client is equals to new chat client first, and we're gonna give it our YouTube, and we're gonna give it our broadcast.snippet.live chat ID. Boom. Client dot on messages received. Okay, and I don't know. I'll just use this. Okay, and we'll just make it go to a method for now and see if it works. So we'll do console.writeLine e dot items dot first dot snippet dot display message. And we'll see if it works. It's gonna end before it. I think I can like do this. I think that's a thing. And also let's put a little polling. Just put a little message there so we know if it actually works. Hopefully it should just spam polling every second, and it's not doing that. That's because I didn't call it, you fucking dork. Get messages. This is what I don't want it to care about what happens. I'm just gonna do this for now, because I think this will work. Okay, found gang gang. This might actually work. Hello. Holy fuck, it works. That's crazy. That's actually insane. Why does this work? It's not supposed to work. So I can like send things now. I can like give me that. I can like yo brah, and it's gonna pop up yo brah. Y'all not a little. Oh, fuck you, man. Y'all är little. Y'all are little. That's huge. That's fucking huge. Hell yeah. Alright. That's sick. That's really sick. Oh fuck yeah. That's really cool. Okay. Shut up. So I'm kind of stressed of how fast it's polling. Let me increase it so I don't run out of requests before this thing is even done. Alright. So now it's not gonna do that. Now it's finding the old. It doesn't start. It starts from the first message. Which I don't think you should care about the first message if I restart it. Should it care about the no, it should care about the messages that are sent after it's been started. Why can you not tell it to skip certain dates? The offline at? Is that it? Oh no, that's the I'm dumb. These are things. Yeah, I don't know about that. It would be kind of shit for it to get the first messages. I ain't gonna lie. What is page token? Just out of curiosity. And why does it not? Why does it work? Like, it's setting the page token when it's not getting anything. I guess that's fact, because it's starting from that page token. Yeah. Oh no, this would be so bad. Like, imagine if the server crashed. What are we gonna do then? Cry about it? What I kind of want to do is to ignore the message if it's been sent before a certain date. The thing is, it would have to like climb through the entire chat log still to get to the latest message. Live chat, YouTube API v3, live messages, skip date. Surely you can fucking do that. Get live messages, YouTube API I wonder if I can find some well, a chatbot is you just have to send things. Or maybe you have to, I mean, you just have to read things too. I wish I could just tell it where to start from. Get last live message. Dude, this is so dumb. Why can you not do that? When you make a first request to chat messages, the API returns some or all of the chat history, depending on the length of that history. Messages in the response are ordered from oldest to newest. That is so crap. I mean, it's not necessarily bad. It'd be fine if there wasn't any way to, if there was a way to filter it. But okay, there's a cone samples here. But like, what? This is so shit. Is it not? Like, am I dumb? I'm confused. I'm okay. I think for my use case, this would be fine. Also, let me just real quick. I want to get 2,000 messages at the same time because that's the limit. Messages request. Max results 200. Did it suggest constants? No. Now 2,000. Max. Highest allowed amount. I don't know how many messages you send in a live stream, especially in a Little Big Planet live stream. Probably not that many, but I mean, it'd be more about wanting to make it as good as possible than anything else, right? All right. But I guess that's like that. To get the messages. All right. No, I just need to do one more thing, and that's date. Public date time offset. I'll call it from date. And we're gonna set this when we initialize it. From date is equals to t-tab offset dot UTC now. Hopefully that. What date does it represent this with? I don't know how dates work. Like time zone. I suppose I could just, if it says the same time as my time, that means it's time zone specific. If it says it's 1 hour behind, that means it's not time zone specific. So let me just, I'll put a breakpoint there. And start it. And it should get the first messages, or well, I mean, it should get all the messages actually. So we got all the messages. Actually, we don't even need the messages. I mean, I can check this if I wanted to. Published at 9 p.m. What? How does this work? Are these not? Okay, I think published at is adjusted to my time zone. So I suppose I could just use published at then. So we'll do oh fuck, but imagine like half of them are new. I can't just like check. Is the first one old? I gotta check. Is the last one old? I guess I'll check if the last one. No. That will make this feature completely unnecessary, because if you send a message. Fuck. Okay, no, it's fine. It's fine. Actually, it's fine. It's fine. So we're gonna do messages items where m dot snippet dot published at. Okay. I don't think this was adjusted to. Published at date. Yeah, published at datetime offset. If that is, or where that is more or equals to from date. And one of the relevant messages, I guess. And I'll just send that, I guess, and then I'll change this type to live chat message, because we don't really need it to be a response anyway. I mean, enumerable. Bop. Bop. Might be a little slower, but who cares? And then let's just remove this. Actually, then I want to check if relevant messages to any. If we actually have any messages. Oh, fuck you. Okay, well at that point I'll just do this. Shablam. As array to array. What are you telling me to do now? Why? Okay, man. Should I just make this an array here too then? I don't understand this multiple enumeration thing. Because I've not really tried understanding it. I should probably do that. Anyway. We'll make this an array. And we'll just constantly write new messages. And then I guess we'll do for each live chat message in messages. We call it a right line message dot snippet dot display message. Boom. So now it should not detect the old ones, but if I send a new message, I'm like, yo, it should hopefully discover that. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let me spam it a little bit. Oh, that's cracked. That's cracked. That's cracked. That's really cool. Alright. So, that's the YouTube API part then. Now I need to make the logic. I need to make a website. I need to do like everything. This is just a small part of it. But this is huge. I think I'm gonna make like actual input. Okay, basically this is gonna be a WebSocket server, right? And I think I'm gonna okay, so this is gonna be a WebSocket server, and that's gonna be to communicate with the UI, and I think it's also gonna be to like actually do the remote play stuff. So yeah. The logic I need to do now here. The stuff I need to implement here is the like poll stuff. The voting stuff. Like I need to decide a winner. And then I also need to make a WebSocket server, which I have no idea how to do in C#, but it's probably not that bad. But we've got this. We're pretty cool. And yeah, I can make this private. I can also make that private. What did it even do? Why should it be nullable? I don't understand why that should be nullable. Oh shit, I should actually, this is be a using inline using C#. this is, I'm gonna just using, I'm just gonna put this in here. Bop. Oh fuck, it's not, how do I make it like one? Like, Dawan. I'm Dawan. Oh, here. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Okay, sick. I mean, it's gonna be running the entire time, but it looks cool. Alright, now I have to do this voting logic, and I'm kinda scared about that. Oh, fuck. I don't think I want to make this too advanced. I think I should just try to stick to the basics here, because I want to be able to actually get this done. And what that means is that okay, first of all, we'll make a poll. Do you call it a service? I don't know. Voting. I don't fucking know. And like, whenever a new message or new messages are sent, we want to check if they're cool. Pretty much. So I think I want to create a config file for this to like define the actions. So let's start with that. Like effect, we could call it. And we'll give this like public string description, public int ID, that's like it, I think. So then we're gonna make a, I'll just call it config. Configuration. I'm thinking it should have like well, an array of effects. And that should be that. I think I could add like a probability thing here if I want to do that. I don't know, that kind of rigs it, doesn't it? Yeah, I think that would just make it boring, so I'm not gonna implement that. Let me make a directory for like types. And I'll call this chaos effect. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to make the thing that loads the configuration. I guess we'll call it configuration helper. Something like that. We'll make a public configuration load config. And it's gonna want a path. I'm just thinking the directory that it's ran in. And we'll just do that. Or string path. To config is found read all text path, and we're gonna make a fuck it, I'll just okay, first we have to check if it exists. If file exists path. If it doesn't exist, we're gonna no exit program. This dot close. I don't know how to. No configuration file found. I'm gonna call create or save config, I guess. Path. Make the static. And new configuration. Alright. And then we're gonna string config, and we're gonna return Jace Newton soft or JSON convert dot deserialize object configuration config text, and we'll just force it to work. Alright. Sick. Then we're gonna make a public static configuration save config. We're gonna want a string path here too, and we're gonna want a configuration. And this one's even easier. We're just gonna file dot write all text path config JSON convert or JSON serializer, not JSON convert dot serialize object config. Boom. And this should just be a void actually. And I guess we can have a console.writeLine creating configuration at, and we'll do path. And like private. Why did I use a capital S? I don't know. I mean, I suppose I could just return an empty config. Configuration config. Oh, it's not. Config is equals to new configuration. And we're just gonna save config. Else we're gonna load it. Config is equals to that, and then we're just gonna return config. Boom. Cool. So let's make a configuration config is equals to configuration helper dot load config and path dot we'll just path dot join dot and wait, no, I'm dumb. I can just do this config dot json. And now I know how to do this, so I can var stream is equal using that doesn't work. Unless that works. No, that doesn't work. Okay, never mind. Alright, so we got the config, we got the shit, we got the shit, we got the shit. Let's try running it. It's gonna cry that there's no config, but it should create a config for us. Let me make the added like dot 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 there. And if we go in here, we have a config. And I'll just open that in kwrite or something. Okay, that's kind of cringe. Let me just list fuck, what's it called? Like list dot empty or something. Oh no, it's array dot empty. Chaos effect. There we go. I fucking remembered. Let me fix that. Okay. Let's try it again. And it's a great one. Yeah, it's created one. Let's open it up. Okay, that's better. I think I can also mix it, saves it with nicer lines. Indented. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Sick. Now we have config. So now I want to trigger this somehow. Should I do that through the WebSocket server? That would require like a third fucking client for this bullshit, but triggering it by itself kind of seems a little shit, doesn't it? I don't know. I think I'm gonna, or I could add an interval and make it like pausable through a client. Maybe that would be the best way of doing it. I don't know. But, well, fuck. I hate this. Well, let's just make a method for now. Public void. Should this be static? I don't know if it should. Let's not make static. Public. So let's begin by making a thing here. we're gonna want to pass in the WebSocket server here later, but I'll not do anything with that right now. And then I'll do a public void begin voting or something. And here I want to pick, first of all, how many there should be. I'm just going to put that in the configuration. Public int effects at 8, or let's see. What was I even doing? I genuinely forgot what I was doing. Oh, right. Voting options. Option count, I guess. And we'll just initialize like 4. Alright. And we're gonna get 4 random things. Start vote. I'm gonna want to access the config every time I run this command. I don't know what the best way of doing that is. Maybe I should just make this static. It is static. Well, should I just make the configuration static then too? Or like I could do the thing. So I'll just do this public static configuration. Oh right, configuration. And then I can do get. And I'll make a private static configuration. And if it gets, it's gonna configuration. It's gonna do what? That's not really what I'm gonna do though. Okay, we're just gonna do this. Configuration, load config. Okay, we'll just put it here. Const private const string configuration path. Config.json. Configuration path. And then we'll return configuration. This is alright, there's 2 things. Okay, and it shouldn't have a setter. Can you do this? You can do this. And then I can make this a little cleaner by just doing that. So now it's gonna cry. Or now it's not gonna load it until it needs it, which I kind of don't like, to be honest. I'm gonna make this okay, first of all, let's make bro. How should I do that? look, the thing is, I want to like generate it immediately when you boot. Okay, I'm gonna do this. And configuration is equals to config. But then this. Okay, and then I kind of have to do this anyway. So load config path. Configuration path. Okay, but I don't even need to load it at that point. I just need to return it, don't I? So, yeah, fine. I'll just do that. That feels dumb, though. I don't know. It doesn't matter. It doesn't fucking matter. I'm just gonna... Can I just put this... I don't want to put it in main. That feels shit, to be honest. Can I just make it run that? Run method on boot C#. Do I have to call it from main? Maybe none of this matters. Okay, this is terrible. Yeah. I'll just fucking load it. I don't care. It doesn't matter. Alright. So, start vote. We're gonna... alternatives. And it's gonna be equals to... oh yeah, effects. And can I is this method to get 4 random ones? Okay, well in that case, let's chaos effect. We'll make it a list. Alternatives. Should I make this part of voting? Because I'm gonna want to keep them when it ends. Yeah. Private. Alternatives. Alright. So let's do a little for loop, and we're gonna go through configuration helper.configuration.voting option count. So like 4, for example. And we're just gonna get a random one that isn't already added. That looks so bad. Let's call this voting alternatives account instead, to make it even fucking worse. at a time. I'm just gonna call it voting alternatives. Alright, go through the voting alternatives. Okay, first of all, we're gonna set this to a new list, so we don't keep the old ones. And then we're just gonna get random ones. So configuration helper.configuration.effects. What's the best way of doing this? Get random element in list C#. I can think of how I would do it, but I just wonder what the best way of doing it is. Okay, that's not too bad. So you define a random, and you do random.next. Oh my fucking god, I'm gonna have to do this again. But it's even worse. It's even worse. Fuck, that's shit. Jesus Christ. Okay, I don't feel good about that. Oh my god, it's gonna be even fucking worse. Because I'm gonna have to... Where? Oh my fucking god. Alternative contains E. Where that's not true. And then I'm gonna do... In... What is it? Ah, fuck. Oh, I don't feel good about that one. I don't feel good about that one. Let's split this up a little bit. Options. Not added. Not already added, I guess. And then we'll do... Oh wait, oh yeah, I kinda have to do this. I just realized not already added count. And we're gonna add not already added. And we'll call this like cause effect. What? Oh, shut up, man. Let me just make this chaos effect array, and it should do it by itself. Nope. All right, to array. Terrible. Okay, and then we're just gonna alternatives add effect. Alright. Sick. I feel like I want the voting time to be set when it starts. I think. Yeah, let's do that. So duration in milliseconds. I'll make a public vote and vote. Public async task start vote. Oh wait, task dot delay. Duration in milliseconds. End vote. Okay. Cool. And then when we end the vote, we're basically just gonna send a message about it, I think. So, with that out of the way, I think that it's time to make the WebSocket server. I think. If I'm not forgetting about anything. Or that would be to handle messages. Add voter, I suppose. Let's call this vote manager or something. I'm gonna call this current alternatives. And we'll call this, what was I gonna do? Why do I keep forgetting what I'm doing? Alright. I will public list of channels. YouTube yeah, here. Channel votees. Is that what you call them? People who has voted. You call that a, what do you call someone who has voted? Voter. Oh my god, I thought I was so fucking smart. That is embarrassing. Oh my god, okay. Alright, current voters. I'm gonna make that new list. Oh, should we just call it current it should be current votes, shouldn't it? And it's gonna be of a type vote. And here we're gonna have I mean, probably enough with just a username and a option. I don't think we need anything else. And you can just shut up. Okay. So we'll just call it votes, current votes. Vote. Okay. And let's make a public void add vote. And we'll do this with a message. So now I need to parse their message into like an actual thing. That vote is equals to new vote. Username is equals to the easy part. Snippet, or no, author details. Let's use the ID because that's more safe. I don't really need to keep track of the username. That's like unnecessary. I mean, it could be fun to display, I guess, but for now we'll just keep it simple. So that, but then option. That's the question. I think I just want to do it with numbers. And then I'll adjust for the thing, you know? So the thing. You know the thing. Zero index is what I meant. Okay, so I need to I think I'm just gonna pick a number. I think that's the easiest way of doing it. Yeah, let's do that. So I'm gonna assume that I'll try parsing it here. Message dot snippet dot display message dot int dot try parse this integer. Bro, just give me out int option. If this fails, just skedaddle. Because otherwise we have a number. So now we want to check if it's in bounds. If vote is in bounds. So if option is less than 0, or if option is more or equals to configuration helper dot configuration dot voting alternatives, return. If vote is not in bounds. Okay, and then we just have option. Easy. Sick. Now we're just gonna add that to our current votes. Current votes dot add vote. Boom. Now we want to check if the channel ID has already voted before. So let's check that here. If message dot author details dot channel ID, if current votes select, this is probably not the fast way of doing it, but that should be enough, contains that, return. If channel has already voted. Alright, so that's just only gonna add them once. And then I guess we'll just select what won. That's the only thing left. So we'll do chaos effect winner is equals to current alternatives. No. Okay, let's start by winning option is going to be votes, current votes, what's the best way of doing that? one. I'm gonna get the, I guess group by v dot option, and then order by descending, or max by g dot count. So does that work? What does that give me? It gives me a grouping. Of course, it gives me the biggest group. So then we'll just first or default dot option. It does not like max by. It doesn't. What does it not? What part of this does it not like? Is it that I said that? This definitely exists. That you can't put it there. What the fuck? Where is this bullshit? Can I just? Oh, if there are none, I guess that's fair. Unless, yeah, max by. So if there are no groups. Yeah, that's true. There might not be any groups. Var voting groups. How about that? So this might be null, is what you're telling me. Okay, so let's boom. Okay, and then voting groups dot fuck. Let's actually put it here then. Most voted group. And we'll just most voted group dot first the option fuck. Okay, let's do this. If most voted group is not null, we're gonna do that. Winning option is this. Well, they're not gonna be split by groups if they're not. So we'll just call first. And else do. I think I just want to cancel it then. I mean, it's not fun if no one voted for it. So let's just cancel vote. Might change my mind about this later. Actually no. I don't care. Let's just make it 0. And let's just make this 0 like that. Okay, so if no one's voted, 0 is gonna win. And then after that, send winner stuff to server. I guess. Because then we have which one? Actually, no, I'm dumb. We're gonna get the chaos effect winner is it winning effect is equals to current alternatives winning option. And I forgot to zero index this. Alright, sick. Now I need to write the server. Terrifying. I don't know if I can even test this right now. So I'm just gonna write the fucking server now. So C# WebSocket server. I saw this library and I think I want to use this. Because this seems kind of chill. Yeah, it's just got a bunch of events for things. That seems really easy to use. So let's do that. I'm just thinking how I should structure this. I guess I could just put it here. Or okay, let me download it first. This is 33 stars. This is completely dead. Let me see if there's WebSocket. Let me see if there's one more. Ah, there's an official one. that's why. System.net.websockets. But is that as nice to use? WebSocket for net is a WebSocket client implementation. I don't care about that. I don't care. I want a server. Let me try the official one before using a library for it. I'm gonna drink some water. Okay, let's see here. What's happening? I mean, it seems a little annoying to work with. Receive asynchronous. I'm kind of tempted to just use this thing. I mean, this project is dead. 2017 was not 7 years ago. What the fuck? It was like 7 years ago. What the fuck? That is so weird. Anyway, I don't know if I should be using a 7-year-old thing, but at the same time, it seems kind of nice to use. If I put as, oh, okay, maybe not use it actually. I mean, I respect these people for like trying to get this person to update their like ancient thing, but I don't think it's gonna work. Should I just use it without library? I mean, this seems so shit. That, like, bytes, get bytes. Send a sync, like, say that is fine. I don't know. It seems kind of trash to me, but. Oh my god. I don't know. It's probably what you're supposed to do. Okay, but now I need to figure out. Oh my god, there's already so much shit in this file. I don't want to write the server here if I'm gonna have to do that. Can I make a class called like server? Make it disposable. So now it's clean. Now it's pretty much clean. Now it's good. Yeah, now it's good. Now it's good. Let's take some parameters such as, I don't know, yeah. I need to figure out how to make one of these. So you create a builder. What the fuck even is this? Give me something. Firefox. That seems more like it. TCP listener? I swear I saw a specific WebSocket thing. I guess you use the server. What? Oh, why did I just remove the entire thing? TCP listener. But these seem so shit. No. No. This seems awful. I'm not gonna fucking check the header. Surely. There's a better way of doing it. Oh, here we go. Is it an ASP.NET thing? How does this work? They're not like events like I would expect for there to be. ASP.NET WebSocket. I'll also figure out to initialize this bullshit after the fact. What is this? Web application create builder? I don't understand what I'm reading. Mainly because I'm not reading it. Okay, it's there's an ASP and .NET thing. How do I create an ASP.NET thing from a console application? Create ASP.NET server from console. I mean, yeah. No, I mean, implement ASP.NET into bare C# console application. What are you manually set up ASP.NET. That's weird. Okay, and this is awful. I am kind of tempted to just use the preset. And paste these in. I am going to do that. Blazor web app. I think I just want a web API. Don't care about authentication. Alright, and oh fuck. I didn't mean to do that. Let's put it here in that case. LVP chaos server. That's kind of all under the name. Fucked. Let me just make a folder for it. D. Yeah, that's catchy. All right. Create. New window. All right. Sick. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, this is awful. Why? What was the point of doing this? Now I have to figure out how to fucking fix this bullshit. Alright, let's... I don't care about this. Get out of here. I don't want HTTPS, so you can forget about that. I don't care about Swagger. Okay, and now it's looking a little nicer. How does this work? I assume this just adds them automatically. I also kind of just hope that. What is this? I'm just gonna remove it. I don't want SSL. Well, we'll see what happens. Let's try running it. After removing literally everything. No frameworks were found. I think I saw a warning about that somewhere, but what? Do I not have that installed? I'm pretty sure I have it installed. What did you say? Where did you say that? Oh fuck. Where did you complain, you little piece of shit? Profile parameters. Okay. Sure, man. Yeah. I guess. Oh, do I have to get a NuGet? No, what is this? Is this program I have to install? I'm just gonna try install. That's not what I wanted to do. Fuck. Bop. This is pro not a thing. Yeah. What are you missing? Let me see if I don't have 8.0 installed, but I think I do. What? What are you talking about? What? Oh, it's a file. I'm fucking dumb. SDK? Surely that's oh my god. Do I have to install the entire thing? Oh my, no. I don't even. I mean, it says I have it installed. I'm tired. I should go to bed. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to bed for now. This is the good progress, though. This is very good progress. Let me write a little thing of this thing. So we got server. This is unreadable. And that's gonna go to UI, and it's also gonna go to. Okay, this is terrible. Let me try this again. We've got the server, and this is server. Bop. We got that server shit, you know. And then in the server we're gonna have like two parts. So we're gonna have what the fuck? We're gonna have I'm dividing this into two parts so I can say that I've made some progress. We're gonna have YouTube API. YouTube API read dash sheet and voting logic. And we're also gonna have WebSocket server. You know, the server part of the server. So that's then gonna go to zip. I like it red. Zip, zip, zip. That's gonna go to two things. It's gonna go to that. It's gonna go to the UI client. Oh yeah, that's what it's all about. And it's also gonna go. Oh my god, I hate this program. It's also gonna go to the thing. Pretty much. The remote play client. Okay, so this is what I gotta do, and I have now done this. So this is on great progress. Alright, sick. I gotta go to bed now. Peace out.